The fence on your miter saw is made up of two main components, the lower fence and a sliding upper fence. The lower fence is the foundation of the fence assembly. It is precisely milled so your saw can make accurate cuts. It attaches to the saw's base and is aligned to the blade for accuracy. The fence can become bent or even cracked if something is hit against it, or if there's a major kickback while cutting. A damaged fence will result in inaccurate cuts. Replacing the fence is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. I'll begin by removing the fence extension from the saw. With the screws removed, now I can remove the fence from the saw. If you haven't already, go ahead and remove the thumb screw that secures the upper fence. Now I can install the new fence. You'll notice that 3 of the 4 holes that secure the fence are elongated. One of the holes is not. I'll install that screw first. I align the fence with the saw. As I tighten up this screw, I want to stop when it's just snug, so I can still adjust the fence to align it to the blade. Now install each of the other 3 screws, but leave them loose. I'll use a small square to align the fence to the blade. I'll lower the blade and lock it into place, and then I'll place the square against the fence and the blade. You want to make sure that the square isn't touching any of the carbide teeth, as they protrude from the saw plate by a small amount. With the square in place, I'll move the fence in or out according to the adjustment I need on the square. Once everything looks good, I'll go ahead and secure this outermost screw. I'll double check it again with the square. That still looks good. So I'll snug the opposite outermost screw, the one we left just a little loose, and now I can tighten down the other 2. One last check with the square, and that looks good. I'll reattach the thumb screw for the fence extension, and then slide the fence back into place.